Do you know 73% of marketers rate paying $15,875 bare minimum each month for managing multiple tasks of their business? And even after paying such a big investment, they're not satisfied with the outcome and looking for something better to manage their business. Now, just imagine what if you had a complete army of skilled professionals that transform your business growth and are always available for you 24/7, 365, and ultimately get an insane advantage over your competition for days, weeks, months, and even years to come. So if you're a product creator, an affiliate marketer, an e-com store owner, a SaaS seller, an agency owner, a small or medium business owner, or anyone willing to hire a team of dedicated professionals that fuel their business growth, without wasting money on hiring expensive freelancers or depending on purchasing expensive third-party subscriptions, I've got some great news for you today. Presenting AI Agent. First-to-market AI-driven app helps you hire professional graphics designer, nutritionist, teacher, legal advisor, financial advisor, software developer, journalist, real estate representative, digital marketer, specialist, relationship coach, affiliate marketing expert, event planner, fitness trainer, travel advisor, social media advisor, fashion designer, chef, custom service executive, astrologer, and much more, and fulfill all your lifelong needs at an unbeatable low one-time price with zero hidden charges. Just follow 3 easy steps to get started. Number 1, log in. Number 2, choose agent. Number 3, use and profit. Here are some of its amazing benefits. Have a professional army of skilled individuals available for you 24/7, 365. Use these talented agents to manage everything for you even when you're on the go. Create 10 times better marketing copies that convert maximum leads into sales. Instantly create eye-catchy business graphics that resonate with your brand and fuel your business growth. Make the most from your social media marketing efforts in a cost-effective manner. Save thousands of dollars, hours of precious time, and use it for better business boosting purposes. Stop spending thousands of dollars monthly that could be wasted in purchasing third-party platform subscriptions. Maximize your affiliate commissions without any additional efforts at your end. Generate captivating business assets without doing a single work yourself. Dominate your competition and get 100 times results with zero extra effort or investment. Let customers literally beg you in exchange for your premium services. Fire all your expensive tools and services once and for all. Say goodbye to monthly fees or paying for expensive third-party platforms. No hidden fee or any extra expenses. Nothing to download, install, or customize. Get started in seconds. Ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee included, and tons of other benefits with your access today. And here's the biggest news. Now you can make even more profit by helping businesses with complete agency commercial license. Yes, with this premium commercial license, even you can make a cool passive income by using these high in-demand agents for your clients as well. Take my word, if you're tired of all the bullshit going around and want to have a secured financial future, then AI Agent is the happy ending for your search. You'll agree that it's 100% fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. So it's really about using this technology for your business as quickly as possible to profit like never before. You'll also receive easy-to-understand video training and round-the-clock support from our excellent customer service team. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. Here's a fair warning. AI Agent will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes zero. Click the button below this video to get AI Agent for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.